as you can see, the bread dough has risen fairly substantially in our bowl overnight. We've got some nice air bubbles on the top, so what I'm going to do now is just give it a bit of a swirl and a fold. I'm going to put some flour on top first, as we normally do, and then I'm just going to use my fingers to bring it together, and as you can see, it's coming away reasonably well from the bowl. I can just pick it up and turn it a few times, get that bit of flour into it. It's got a lovely texture. I'll just grab a knife and scrape off the edge of the bowl a little bit. The bowl's a bit bigger than what I would normally use, but we're on holiday, so we're just using whatever we can find. Okay, I've done a bit of enough there. Now I'm just going to dust the bench with a little bit of our plain flour, and now I'm going to take my dough out. You can see how stretchy it is this morning, and it's quite smooth too, so I'm just going to drop that on the bench and turn it over a few times. Just see how much stretch this has by just letting it fall under its own weight, and I'll get an idea. I'm making baguettes today because I don't have anything else to shape it with, so what I'm going to do is just cut that in half, which is there. Now I have two pieces, and I'm just going to turn these and stretch them as I turn them, perhaps give it a bit of a twist, and that's all I really need to do. And I'm going to set that in my baking pan. Ideally we would use baking paper to line the pan, but we don't have that, and we're just using a flour dusting. So there's my second baguette, put it in there, and we'll just leave that for however long we think it needs, 3 hours, and then come back and have another look. Okay.